He was very conceited. He didn't even worship his mother or father. So he went to the Buddha. The Buddha didn't say anything to him. At that point, Mānatthaddha was so shocked. Namo Buddhaya. You see, in our life, it's hard for us to change our lives. But in the time of the Buddha, many people changed their lives after seeing the Buddha. After just one chance of seeing the Buddha, they changed their lives forever. You see, there's this one Brahmin. His name was Mānatthaddha. He was very conceited. He didn't even worship his mother or father at that time. So he went to the Buddha, and before going to meet the Buddha, he thought to himself, if the Buddha talks, I'll talk to him. But if the Buddha doesn't talk to me, I won't talk with him. So when he went there, the Buddha didn't say anything to him. At that point, he thought to himself, the Venerable Gautama doesn't know anything. And when he turned to leave, that's when the Buddha read his mind. At that point, he said, "Oh Mānatthaddha, you know, living your life with conceit won't do any good for you. If you came here for a purpose, you should fulfill that purpose instead of turning away without completing that purpose." At that point, Mānatthaddha was so shocked. He realized, oh, the Buddha knows me. The Buddha knows who I am. Why? Because he read his mind. So Mānatthaddha was so full of amusement. He ran towards the Buddha and worshipped. I am Mānatthaddha. I am Mānatthaddha. At that point, the people around him were so shocked. Why? Because they all knew that this Mānatthaddha never worshipped anybody in his life. He didn't even worship his mother or father. So everyone was so shocked. But as us, as disciples of the Buddha, we shouldn't be shocked. Because you see, that is the nature of a Buddha. That is the nature of the quality that we know of as Anuttaro Purisadammasārathī. We too can always think about this quality of the Buddha and contemplate on it. And so with this fortune of going for refuge to the Buddha, may we too realize these Four Noble Truths and escape from suffering in this Gautam Buddha's dispensation. Namo Buddhaya.